Hello everyone. So my name is Umendra Yadav and I am studying civil engineering. I'm going to graduate in 2026 last and I am here to get a job as a freelancer and I am happy to create an account. I have created an account on Upwork, so I wish I will get my first job land. And This is this is a platform where I have listened so much from internet, YouTube, Instagram. So I came here to know about the business here, how it is done, and I'm new to the Upwork. So I want to explore more ideas and knowledge about it. I know ArcGIS, AutoCAD, and Revit. Also, taken a training of ArcGIS and basic knowledge of all. I have a SketchUp, I know. So let me get my first job, and thank you so much.